on me like I did something to them. Say they got my back, but I see right through them. Got me suicidal, picked up a Bible. I just wanna be happy, I ain't gotta be an idol. They turning 360, acting like they with me. Gotta watch my back, I can't let nobody get me. Why they turning, why they fake, cop out in the case. That's why I play it safe, gotta keep my family straight. Should I cut them off? I don't know why I waited. Blood thicker than water, that water evaporated. Time wasted, I can't take it. All my people fading, now the ones hating on me, praying I don't make it. Got some behind bars from living like this, I'm scarred. Money hungry, can't starve. Who's there when times get hard? Life and how I take this, people catching cases. Homies buried in the ground and flowers in their vases. Who was there for me when my pockets on E? Who was there for me when I was roaming around the streets? Who was there for me when someone ran up? And if you keep it real, then I'm asking you to stand up. Who was there for me when my pockets on E? Who was there for me when I was roaming around the streets? Who was there for me when someone ran up? And if you keep it real, then I'm asking you to stand up. Did things I didn't want to, but that's what I had to. From everything I fight through, I think I got the right to. Others don't even know you, some reason I don't like you. If you get locked up, I bet they don't write you. It's cold out here, people live in fear. They're there from day one, but then they disappear. I handle my own business, I don't need help, but feels like I'm on my deathbed taking my last breath. Just listen and hear this, living life is serious. There's so much pain from what I've done experienced. First they start lying, then they stop trying. He probably gonna snitch, but I'ma be silent. Streets real violent, but there's no crying. Didn't wanna ride, but I'm always riding. So if you turned on me and started acting scary, don't show up out the graveyard when I'm about to get buried. Who was there for me when my pockets on